To add a credit card on Nintendo Switch, start by ensuring your console is connected to the internet and you have a Nintendo account. If you do not have a Nintendo account, create one by going to the Nintendo website and following the sign-up process. Next, turn on your Nintendo Switch and select the Nintendo eShop icon from the home screen. This will take you to the Nintendo eShop, where you can purchase games and other content. In the Nintendo eShop, scroll down and select Enter Code. Then select the profile picture or nickname in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. In your account settings, select Payment Options. Then select Add Payment Method. You will be prompted to enter your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Enter your credit card information carefully, making sure to avoid any typos or errors. Once you have entered your credit card information, select Add Card to add the credit card to your Nintendo account. You will then be asked to confirm that you want to add the credit card to your account. Select Confirm to complete the process. Your credit card is now added to your Nintendo account and you can use it to make purchases in the Nintendo eShop. It is a good idea to review your account settings and payment options regularly to ensure that your credit card information is up to date and secure. You can also remove or update your credit card information at any time by going back to your account settings and selecting payment options. By following these steps, you can easily add a credit card to your Nintendo Switch and start making purchases in the Nintendo eShop. Remember to always keep your account information and credit card details secure to avoid any potential issues or unauthorized purchases.